Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular Agile frameworks, Scrum. Scrum is a process framework that is being used to manage work on complex products using various processes and techniques. The important word there was framework and not process. Scrum isn't a process, it's a framework that facilitates processes, amongst other things. The framework is made up of Scrum teams, individual roles, events, artifacts, and rules. We'll take a deep dive into each of these in other videos, but for now it's important that you understand the core pillars and values of Scrum. These are really the essence of Scrum and flow through every part of the framework. First up, Scrum is founded on empirical process control theory, or empiricism, which can be broken down into three different pillars which hold Scrum up and allow it to be effective. Transparency. All parts of the process should be transparent, open, and honest for everyone to see. For example, any user stories your team are using should be written so that everyone can understand them. Inspection. If you are using Scrum, you need to frequently check on the work you are creating, the Scrum artifacts, and its progress toward a sprint goal. It's really important that everything that's worked on during a sprint can be inspected by the team to make sure that it's achieving what it needs to. Adaptation. If a member of the Scrum team or a stakeholder notices that things aren't going according to plan, the team will need to change up what they're doing to fix this as quickly as possible. Okay, we've established the three pillars of Scrum, but how do they help us? Well, to make sure that we're using the pillars of Scrum properly, we need to embrace the Scrum values. When the Scrum values are lived by the Scrum team, the pillars can really come to life and help build trust in the framework. Let's go through these 5 values quickly. They are: courage, to do the right thing and work on tough problems. Focus, on the sprint and its goal. Commitment, to yourself, the team, and sprint goal. Respect, each other by helping people to learn the things that you're good at and not judging the things that others aren't good at. Openness and honesty to let people know when you're struggling with challenges and problems that are stopping you from achieving success. That's it for this video, folks. By taking on and living by the values of Scrum, we can use the empirical pillars to make sure that we are always working in an agile way. Now that you know about the pillars and values of Scrum, take a moment to think about your own organisation and team. Do any of the pillars or values sound like they wouldn't fit how you work? If not, why not?